This was my first year with seed rolls, and I quite liked how the peas came out. I think I had about 13 plants in this little roll, and they were easy to separate, and the roots look great. I think I'm gonna start my peas like that again. That was quite the success. The roots look really nice. Fava beans did equally well in the seed roll. I had given them a little fatter seed roll, putting a little more coconut coir material in the roll itself because of the size of the seed, and these plants look very healthy. The endive lettuce was in the roll much longer than the other seeds, and these seedlings seem to grow very slowly. I also found that they were very sticky, but maybe they would have just needed a little more soil in the roll and a little more time. The onions looked great, but they were still so little. I think they would have liked to spend another month or two in that seed roll. I think that's really the advantage of these seed rolls, that you can just leave your seedlings in there longer than in any other method, especially if you adjust the depth of the seed roll to the expected plant size.